Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home, where we help you troubleshoot all your tech issues. In today's video, we're going to guide you through how to fix your TV screen. Whether your screen is flickering, showing weird colors, or completely blank, we've got some simple steps to help you out. Let's get started. Section 1. Check the cable connections. First things first. Let's start with the basics, your cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can often cause screen issues. Make sure that all the cables are securely plugged into your TV. Check the HDMI cables, power cable, and any other connected devices. If the cables look worn out, consider replacing them. Section 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes the easiest fix is just a simple restart. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, and wait for about 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and power it on. This can reset any temporary issues your TV might be facing. Section 3. Check for picture settings. Next up, let's dive into your TV's picture settings. Sometimes a simple adjustment can make all the difference. Go to the menu and look for the picture or display settings. Check if your TV is set to the right mode, like standard or movie. You can also try resetting the picture settings to default. Section 4. Test different inputs. If you're still having issues, it might not be the TV itself, but one of your input sources. Switch to a different HDMI input to see if the issue persists. If the screen works fine with a different input, it could mean there's a problem with the device or cable connected to that input. Section 5. Firmware update. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause display issues. Make sure your TV is running on the latest software. Go to your TV settings and check for software updates. If there's an available update, install it and see if it resolves the issue. Section 6. Hardware issues. If you've tried all these steps and your screen is still not working properly, there could be a hardware issue. At this point, it's best to contact the manufacturer or a professional technician to diagnose any hardware problems, like faulty display panels or internal components. Conclusion. And there you have it, a few quick and easy steps to help fix your TV screen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Smart 4 Home for more tech tips. Have any other TV issues? Drop them in the comments below and we'll help you out.